Role of secondary sector, that is industry, in the development of an economy. The need for and role of industrial sector have been fully recognized by the development thinkers all over the world. Industrial sector, through its forward and backward linkages with other sectors, plays a very important role in achieving rapid growth and development. Almost all the economists agree that industrialization is essential for the economic development of any country. Some of the countries have achieved a very advanced stage of industrialization and are called developed economies. India is in a developing state, and still faster industrialization is very essential to absorb large population, because the primary sector is already heavily loaded with large population. Main points in favor of rapid and large scale industrialization are: number one, balanced and rapid development. Industrialization is essential for balanced and rapid development of the economies. Total dependency on agriculture alone is not desirable. By total dependence upon agriculture, the economic stability cannot be ensured. Simultaneous industrialization and development of agriculture, duly supported by infrastructure, is a prerequisite of real economic progress for the nation like India. Number two, increase in national and per capita income. Industrialization leads to increased national and per capita income. In an agricultural economy, the domestic production is mainly from agriculture, which is subject to diminishing returns. This results in lower per capita and aggregate income in an agricultural country as compared to industrialized nation. Number three, exploitation of natural resources. Rapid industrialization would help in proper exploitation of our natural resources. The full utilization of mineral resources, water resources, forest resources, etc. of our country can be done through establishment and expansion of various industries. Number four, increase in export earning. To diversify export items and to make them cost competitive, rapid industrialization is needed. If India can produce industrial goods of higher value and export these products, then this will increase India's export earning. Number five, industrialization and agricultural development. Agricultural and industrial developments depends upon each other. It is also a fact that many agricultural inputs are possible only with industrial progress. In modern times, the extensive use of machines, chemical fertilizers, irrigation by pump, sets and tube wells can achieve better agricultural productivity. Number six, employment for surplus labor. The man-land ratio is deteriorating in agricultural sector, and thus the only source of possible employment for additional hands remains in the industrial sector. Only industrialization can generate more employment opportunities at accelerated pace. Also, it will draw away surplus labor from agricultural sector and thereby help in increasing the marginal productivity of agricultural labor. Number seven, security considerations. For security reasons, a country cannot take risks of dependency, particularly in the case of defense equipments, and the capital goods. Therefore, industrialization is a must. Number 8, change in outlook. Industrialization leads to liberal outlook. It promotes urbanization under social context between persons belonging to different classes and professions when they work together at one place. Number 9, modernization. Industrial development has generated elements of modernization in the form of technological progress, emergence of scientific outlook, promoting industrial cult, etc., which are ingredients of economic progress.